Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. In this video install, we're going to show you how to install our CAtuned armrest for this 2024 and plus Land Cruiser. So I want to show you, if you look at this way, see how thin it is over here? So obviously some of the lower trim Land Cruisers don't have, like, it's all one molded. So this works with the higher end. So you can see this one's a little cushy and it's removable. So why we are removing this and installing, walk over here, one of these, as you can see. So when you're driving, you can actually rest your elbow on the side. So this right here, it's just gonna slip off, you guys. And it kind of pisses me off. So we developed this right here, and we're gonna show you how to disassemble the panel, install this, and put it back in, and you'll be enjoying those long trips with your arm, resting on the panel. All right, guys, these are some of the tools you're gonna need. Some clip removers for the panel, and obviously we have a wide variety of like Phillips head square drives. It's gonna be a Phillips inside. We're gonna show you what exactly you're gonna do. All right, guys, so if we're gonna remove this cover here with this little pick, yep, just like that. Remove that, and there's another one by the armrest down low. All right, when you take those covers off, there's actually a Phillips screw in there, and then one down there. We're gonna go ahead and remove that right now. Okay, we have a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, we're gonna use a clip remover, guys. Something like this works. You have to try to find the first clip. Sometimes you gotta be bold, just kind of pull on it. The clips are strong, but they're not gonna break. And then you have the two cables that are to release the door. Those have to be clipped off. They might be a little tricky. And also the wiring for the window motor has to be unclipped as well. Guys, once you get the panel off, you can clearly see behind here when we flip it over. So you have a little sound cover. You take this off to the side. So let me show you what we're going to do. So you have 1, 2, 3 Phillips head. We're going to remove this, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. They're like soldered plastic. So what you can use is like a soldering gun, or we're going to use actually a torch with a screwdriver. We're going to heat it up and press on it and kind of pull the back side, and it'll pop out. There's a couple of little clips, so follow along on this. So if you got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, you have to solder out, and then a couple of screws. The next step is going to be to solder these out. There's 2 more screws right here, guys. All right, so this is what you're going to get when you take everything off, and then we're going to grab our CAtuned one and install it the same way with different screws. All right. Okay guys, so we're gonna line up. So we have one screw here, 2, 3, and 4. Four holes. Put it in. I would recommend just kind of hand tight all these first. Make sure you're getting inserted in the hole. Don't over tighten them. Just feel snug. And that really completes it all. So we're gonna, obviously you got some missing parts. You're gonna attach like that. Bam. You have an armrest now. So we're gonna repeat the same process we took it off, put it back on. We're gonna start with the cables, put the Phillips on, clip it back in, bam, you're done. All right, guys, this completes this install. Now you can drive and rest. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out to us by phone, email, or stop by. Thank you.